Hello everyone, hello aspirants, welcome to another video from Shomu's Biology, and in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the best way to prepare for GATE Life Science and GATE Biotechnology examination. So if you are preparing for GATE Life Science exam or GATE Biotechnology exam, then what to do, how to start preparation, how to end preparation, because the GATE exam is on the way and I want you to know this very clearly. Although you may have been following my channel, my videos, I've already made videos regarding the GATE exam, but this time I'm going to give you a clear idea about the timeline of your preparation. So the GATE examination study guide or GATE Life Science preparation study guide it is. So first things first is that the very first and most important thing regarding GATE Life Science preparation. In fact, for any of the competitive exam preparation, be it GATE Life Science, GATE Biotechnology, NET, any of this examination, is the timeline. You need to decide the timeline of your preparation, and that is the most important thing. The timeline means how long you are going to prepare for the exam. Although the exam will be conducted every single year or twice a year in many cases, but you need to decide your own timeline. For example, in case of GATE, it's conducted once a year. So here your timeline can be 1 year, it can be 1.5 years, it can be 2 years. Obviously, depending upon the pace of your practice and preparation, the timeline varies. Let's assume that our timeline is 1 year, and I believe if you prepare well enough, 1 year is a good amount of time for the preparation of GATE Life Science and GATE Biotechnology examination. So in this 1 year timeline, you divide this 1 year timeline into two different parts, okay? 6 month and 6 month each. Two different sections. Now the first section is the section where you build your concepts from peer-reviewed books. It will take time. It may sometimes take 6 months. It may sometimes take even 8 months. You can keep it from 6 to 8 months out of 1 year. And then you have rest of the 6 month or 4 month, which is a revision and question solve or question solution part. So these are the two sections of your timeline while you're preparing for GATE Life Science and GATE Biotechnology examination. Now, once the timeline is set, the second important step for this preparation is know what to do in the timeline. So the very first timeline, that is the first 6 months or sometimes 8 months of the preparation, you need to prepare from peer reviewed books. Now these books are detailed written, and they are written in a manner from start to the end, every little details of every little processes that are available based on the GATE syllabus. Now GATE syllabus is clear to you. I believe you have GATE syllabus. If you don't have it, you can easily search it in our website, or I've already made a video regarding GATE Life Science syllabus. You can check that one out. So based on that syllabus, you need to read each and every single detail from start to the end in that manner for the first 6 months to 8 months, and do not skip it. I repeat, don't skip this part, because if you skip this part, many of your concepts will be weak and you will not be able to answer most of the questions. So remember this in your mind. So it's very important. What are the books that you should prepare from? I've already made a video regarding the GATE Life Science important books. You can watch that video, or I'll also put the book list here in this background. You can clearly see, I believe, the list of books that you can prepare from for your GATE Life Science and GATE Biotechnology preparation. Although the preparations are very similar, but in GATE Biotechnology there are few topics, few chapters extra. So the name of the books are already mentioned in here. You can find it out. So once the first phase of the preparation is over, that is for 6 months, and then we go to next 6 months. In the next 6 months, you divide it for revision and fast-paced revision. We divide it into 3 different sections. One revision, second one fast-paced revision, and third one is question answer practice. Now in this case, the more you go close to the exam, the more question answer you should practice, okay? And also revision. So after 6 months you start revising, and when you start revising, you can go with smaller comprehensive books, the books that are that we provide, Shomu's Biology Blueprint of Life Sciences books, or you can go with other publication books that are available in the market. Get the reviews, know what books are better, so you can start preparing from those books. And along with those books, which are peer-reviewed books, it's not peer-reviewed books, it's like a notebook format or something like a concise books. These concise books will help you to recapitulate what you understood in the early 6 months and summarize everything. And during this time, you also take help from lot of video lectures that are available in my YouTube channel. Particularly, you'll have every single topic that you'll search for, be it older video or a new video, it doesn't matter. this thing I must clarify. Many people then ask like, why would I watch a video of 2014? Because the topic remains the same, the concept remains the same, it is not changed yet. So you can read, these are time proof videos, you can watch those videos even though it's 10 years old, it doesn't matter. So you can prepare from all the videos that are available in my channel and also from any other YouTuber's channel. If you find it helpful, go ahead and read from those. You have MIT Open courseware, you have UC Berkeley courseware, you have interactive biology part, iBiology courseware. So from all those different, you have NPTEL HRD, from all these different courses you can get the video lectures and you can study and prepare your video lectures. From those video lectures in this first 3 months of your preparation recapitulation phase, 3 to 4 months, you can completely utilize that. It will give you a fast paced revision. And then the last 2 months of your preparation is when you simply try to find out the topics that you forget and try to revise it again while solving question and answer. So your question and answer solving approach should increase in the last 2 months of your preparation, where you answer last 10 years get question papers, get life science or get biotechnology, whatever get exam you're appearing in. You need to follow the last 10 years question paper, very very important. And when you try to solve the question papers, there are books available in the market with the question paper with answer key, with the question paper with answer explanations. You get all the books, try to solve it on your own. And then once you're stuck in any place, then you go back and watch the video or the book resources and try to put in notes, try to make your own note in a notebook of things that you did not know earlier and now you get to know. So write those things down, because this book is going to be very helpful in the last 15 days of your preparation. So once everything is done, you process yourself like that, complete 10 years, get life science and get biotechnology book. And once that is done, then you go to the last 10 days or 15 days of preparation. Here you don't need to read anything else, you don't need to prepare anything new. Only what you need to do is simply check that notebook that you prepared. Just read from those notebook the topics that you didn't know earlier, that you have written down, go through that and also solve some extra question papers and problems. And then that will be it. That will be the final day, the day of the examination. All the very very best for the day of the examination. You don't need to look for anything else. You don't need to panic, because you started the preparation 1 year ago and 1 year is almost at the end. And remember one thing, the last important tip that I want to share is, throughout this time frame, throughout this timeline you're preparing, it's a good deal, but you need to keep your energy level at its peak from start to the end. From the start, day 1 of your preparation, to the end, last date of your preparation, last day before the examination. It is very very important. If you don't have the energy, many of you, even though they start at the same timeline, but they will lose themselves in the middle, because nowadays the attention span of every single individual is very very low due to so much of noise surrounding them. You need to cut this noise, you need to cut this crappy environment and strictly focus on your study. If you don't do that, then you will lose for sure. And you want someone to scold you, you need someone to put you through the right track, you want someone to guide you through the right track. Otherwise you will lose faith, you will lose hope. Don't lose hope, don't lose faith, because it's a 1 year time frame. Do not judge yourself, or do not judge yourself based on looking at someone else before your timeline is over. If you give yourself 1 year for your timeline, do not judge yourself before that time is over. Remember that, because this will be the most difficult part that you will be facing while preparing for this, because everyone is good nowadays. Everybody knows what to read, everybody knows what not to read, every single resources are available. So it's up to you how you're utilizing that resource. It's up to you whether you keep up with your energy levels throughout that preparation time frame to win or to lose. That's the difference between a winner and a loser, because a winner, although they start like a turtle, they will finish. But a loser may start like a rabbit but will never even catch the final line. Okay, remember these words, because this is going to be helpful for all of you. I am speaking from my personal experience of teaching thousands and thousands of students for the last 8 years or 10 years. Okay, so that's something that you put in your mind. That will be definitely helpful for you. I believe this video is going to be helpful for you for clearing GATE Life Science and GATE Biotechnology examination. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. And if you want to get materials for GATE Life Science, if you want to get video lectures, books and all is are available in our channel. You can see the links in the description, and also we are launching a course for GATE Life Science separately. So you'll get the link as well in the description. If you click it, you'll see the course details and you can join. Thank you. Bye.